for the dish.
Why?
Because you cook me banana. You cook me turon in 3 a.m.
No problem.
This is used to be
Smoking.
and my whole body.
It's a guy that do smoking and you will get a big boom. You want to be
Yes, may banana. Yes. This is turon. Ay, habog.
Ba't sinabi yun?
Ako mo ba?
Ayoko. Ayaw. Ayaw.
Niluto mo, tapos ayaw mo.
Ayaw. Gusto yun.
It's so good. Kasi ginamitan siya ng molo wrap.
Saka slow fire yung ano ka lang. Kaya that's good.
Okay. Okay. Wait a minute. It's so good. Wait lang. I'll just eat a bit. Hold it. Hold it. Why you don't like it? Why? It's so good.
No, I don't know.
Why?
I don't know. I'm full.
Is it good? Is that good? Yes, no. Hold it. Lakas ka? That's right, it's very good. Yes.
I'm full.
It's very good.
No, I'm full.
Ganyan siya, yung kumain ng mga kinain ko, weird ah. You want more? Yes, no? Matabang kasi yung banana yung nilak sa molo wrap. But it is the best for me. No sugar with banana in the wrap. Thank you. Thank you. Cheers. What? What did you say? What did you say? How about me? Sure, you are my love. I'm always kissing you every time, right? How about me? Sabi niya.